this, guys. We're in a pretty beautiful elevator in the elevator building in downtown Pittsburgh. This is also an Embassy Suites now. I'm going to take a still picture of this panel. PA elevators and Patrick Ness have also filmed these elevators. 19. This is the electric chime. Hello. 21. 15. Oh, 1 or 2. 2. Plus the indicator. Look what we just found. 26. This is the freight elevator in the Oliver building. Go 26. 25. Big quick cap. Look how big this thing is. Oh, that's fast. Whoa. I've never been on a high-rise freight elevator before with doors. Here are 25, or this is 15. 2. Oh, hi.